Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and she writes, "Hello Miss Planet, my name is Sharonda." Hi Sharonda. "I'm helping my son and his fiance plan their wedding and they are young and just starting out, so we are trying to stay on budget but also make the centerpieces beautiful. I was wondering if you could show me how to make a more affordable version of the attached arrangement. We would like to use all white flowers with some greenery. Thanks so much in advance. I really hope you can help us, Sharonda." Well, Sharonda, not only are we going to help you create this beautiful centerpiece, we're going to try to do it at the most cost-effective way we can. For starters, by showing you how to make the vase with our $6 hack. You're not going to believe it? Yes, a vase for $6, but you can do it. So, with that being said, let's get started with this week's episode, Elegant Rose Centerpiece with our $6 vase hack. All right, guys, let's get started. To create our beautiful vase, we're going to use a $5 8-inch hurricane vase and a $1 4-inch ice cream dish that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. We're going to attach both of them using our extra strength E6000 and then let it dry at least 4 to 6 hours before you continue the project. Next, I want to show you how we create the leaves for the leaf stems for this particular project. Now, they come in an extra long section, and all you're going to do is use your wire cutters that you can also purchase from the Dollar Tree and just trim it at a natural end point. And then that way you have 2 leaves for the price of 1. We're going to be attaching all of our florals to an 8-inch styrofoam ball. Now, ignore mine, it's kind of beat up, but you know I reuse everything, and I do mean everything. So your ball, of course, is going to be a lot smoother and a lot prettier, but again, it's going to be covered by flowers. So you're going to attach 2 of your leaf stems and 2 of your baby's breath and to the bottom of your ball. And then next, you're going to attach that ball to your vase using hot glue. You simply put hot glue on the rim. Be careful of your flowers. Just kind of squish them together and place them inside the vase. And then simply press down until the glue is connected. Well, Sharonda, what do you think? It's absolutely stunning. Now, I will tell you that it's very difficult to create a centerpiece like this for under $50, but here are some things you can do to save money. You may want to try to get all of your flowers from the Dollar Tree. Now, with that in mind, you may need to purchase a few more. So you may have more flowers to use, but your end budget may not be that much different. I would suggest that you always want to add some Real Touch type latex flowers into your centerpiece, as long as you're not allergic to latex, to just kind of make the arrangement look as natural as possible. Another good tip that I always tell my clients is alternate tables. Don't put this tall centerpiece on every table. Alternate it with candles that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree and the smaller vases, which are also from the Dollar Tree. So keep that in mind. So if you have 10 tables, do 5 of the tall, and then the other tables do just small Dollar Tree vases with artificial flowers and tea light candles, also from the Dollar Tree. Just a quick little tip. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you want an extra special note, click on that little bell there and you will get an email just from us letting you know the moment our videos are live. You can always ask us a question in the comment section, or if you just want to drop us some words of encouragement, trust me, they go a long way. Your words of encouragement push us to be as excellent as we possibly can be. In addition to that, you can just follow us on social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And by all means, if you have not signed up for your Ebates rebate account, you need to do it today, right now. Go to the link in the description. Do it now. It's free. They pay you to shop. It's free. Did I say it's free? It's free. So it's very simple. Go to the link, click on, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account online. Find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check for your shopping efforts at the end of each month. Don't miss out on that opportunity, guys. Another opportunity I want you to check out is our MissPlanIt shop. We have some fantastic planning tools, digital downloads. You don't have to wait for shipping. You don't have to pay shipping and handling. And for our community members who are abroad in different countries, it's available for you immediately through download. And then finally, if you haven't hung out with me at our MissPlanIt home channel on our website, it's time for you to do so. I'm doing some fantastic fall decor for my home, and I would love to share my finds with you. So head on over to our website, click on that little icon in the corner, and let's hang out some more. Well, guys, our time is up for the day. But before you go, I want to remind you, if we can help you with a project, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, click on it in the link, or just click on that little icon in the corner and click on the Project Request tab. Be sure to do it sooner than later because our schedule fills up so fast and I hate telling anybody no. So if there's a project we can help you with, head on over to our website, click on that tab and follow the easy instructions. In addition to that, we have our resource library up and running, and so you can find some fantastic quick tip downloadable cards just to help you with your planning efforts, just as a gift from me to you. It's absolutely free. So head on over there, utilize all those resources because we want you to have the party, event, or wedding of your dreams. You can absolutely do it DIY because always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon, guys. God bless.